Our Father's peace to everyone who catches this message. In the name of Yahweh Elohim, Ruach HaKadosh, and Yashivai HaMashiach, Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. In the name of our Father, the Holy Spirit, and the Messiah Yahshua. All praises to the source of sustenance and mercy. It's time for a party. This party is called interdependence. Almost on a daily, I listen in to my good brother, Kofi Ofori. He talks about interdependence instead of the notion of independence. Interdependence means we get our resources from our maker and creator. So everything belongs to our maker and creator, including our own bodies and efforts when we pledge to serve the kingdom of the Most High. So as an artist and musician, if I were to say I'm independent, basically I would be saying I own my own label. And since I don't really own things because it is owned by the Creator, it's in our Creator's name. I am interdependent with our Creator just as much as I am interdependent with the community. That means that I am not a success unless the community grows with me. That also means that the community has to invest in me. I pledge my efforts and services towards the community in the name of our Father. I appreciate every time I get a chance to listen in to Kofi. You might want to do the same. You can catch him Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and sometimes Sunday mornings, 8 a.m. on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. The evenings, likewise. Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and on special Sundays at 8 p.m. You can also find his post through hashtag #FindKofi. Our Father's peace to everyone who catches this message, and happy born day, Brother Kofi.